Welcome to the midweek recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. New technology donated to Catinara Hospital boosts cancer diagnosis capabilities. The Dinamici Association has donated a new piece of equipment to the nuclear medicine department at the Catinara Hospital to make diagnostic and therapeutic processes more efficient in case of melanoma and breast cancer.
Vuol dire che si inserisce in una grande operazione di adeguamento delle tecnologie che nei nostri ospedali sta trovando soddisfazione importante grazie agli investimenti della Regione, ai quali si aggiunge questo importante dono di questa associazione di volontariato che consente alla nostra struttura di essere più resiliente, più forte e avere maggiori opportunità di risposta nei confronti delle patologie delle persone, in particolare in questo caso delle patologie oncologiche.
Questo è il frutto della raccolta di Ottobre Rosa 2025 e noi siamo sempre stati orientati appunto sugli spazi ospedalieri, sull'umanizzazione. In questo caso invece abbiamo puntato sulla diagnostica perché l'associazione punta all'umanizzazione dei percorsi di cura e la diagnostica fa parte di un percorso di cura del paziente oncologico.
Ci siamo concentrati molto sulla umanizzazione degli ambienti, umanizzazione delle cure e oggi su una donazione di una tecnologia sanitaria all'avanguardia utile sempre per il paziente oncologico.
Turin Summit focuses on innovation, technology and healthcare.
Regional leaders and healthcare experts met in Turin to discuss the role of artificial intelligence, telemedicine, and innovation in improving patient care and strengthening health systems. Governor Massimiliano Fedriga emphasized the need to adapt healthcare services to take full advantage of new technologies.
Generali bets on skills with a €74 million investment on employee training. The Generali Group launches the Excellence Academy, a new global training program for all employees to build the skills and mindset needed to navigate today's fast-changing and increasingly fragmented landscape.
Well, this is a very important initiative for us. It's a significant investment. We believe that it's crucial in a phase where everything is transforming and change is rapidly accelerating. We see that competences as well tend to become obsolete more fastly. So basically, this is a way to invest more in the education of our people and doing that centrally with an academy which is aimed at all the employees of the group is of course very important. Also to develop a common culture, a common language, on top, of course, of training everyone on the new tools that AI are offering.
Police boost presence along Trieste's Barcola waterfront for summer.
In Trieste, local police are stepping up patrols along the Barcola waterfront for the summer season. Officers will monitor traffic, enforce local regulations, and increase safety measures as tourists and beachgoers return to the coast.
During the summer, special patrols of Barcola seafront return during all the summer, all the day for people, for local police officers will be available for residents and tourists to answer every request and to help them in every way.
A simple request for tap water ends with a landmark ruling from Italy's highest court.
Italy's highest court has ruled out that hotels and restaurants are not required to serve tap water. The decision ends a 7-year legal battle by a guest who challenged a luxury hotel's refusal to serve it during dinner. Do you think it's correct that it's not a requirement to serve tap water anymore?
No, for me it's not correct. For example, I'm 31 and I only drink this kind of water. For example, I use a bottle, glass bottle, Flaszka, the name is Flaszka, and for me it's also more ecological.
But being a local, that never happened to me. Probably is the restaurants or the bar are trying to sell in more bottles of water.
No, I don't think so. I think that we should all get our tap water because it's just something very natural to us.
Tap water should be offered because it's like, if it's drinkable, so it should be free to use. I mean, because I would understand if it's not drinkable from the tap, but if it is, it should be free.
Correct that it's not a requirement anymore to serve tap water.
I do think it is correct on the one hand, from the perspective of running a restaurant. Naturally, we do make business with the bottled water. That's quite clear. On the other hand, naturally, according to the region of where you are in Italy, the quality of the tap water is quite different. So in order to not discriminate one region to the other, they made the new law that all of Italy, basically, we are not required anymore, actually almost forbidden to serve tap water. The reason there is of health reasons, because if you drink a small glass of water, not much can happen. If you drink a big glass or a lot of glasses of tap water and you get problems with your stomach, then I, as who is running a restaurant, can be made responsible for the eventual illness of the customer.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.